I'd like to say hi to all my friends out there to the at the Croatian Soccer. No, report.com. Okay, report. CroatianSoccerReport.com. I just want to say hi to you. Thank you so much for your love, support, and coverage. CroatianReport.Soccer.com. No, I messed it up.
It's okay. It's cool.
CroatianSoccerReport.com. You're the one. Thank you so much for the love and everything that you've done for Ted Williams.
We're gonna do one more. Croatian Soccer Report is turning into CroatianSports.com. It's gonna be in.
Let me write all that. Yeah.
I declare CroatianSports.com open. Can you do that?
No.
Yeah.
Official.
What? Official. Okay. Hey, thank you.
Okay. You're welcome very much.
Happy Valentine's.
Jeez, girls just throw themselves.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, you blurred it.
CroatianSoccerReport.com.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's all about the Croatian report. CroatianSoccerReport.com.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Do you follow Croatian soccer at all?
Well, I try to as much as possible. CroatianSoccerReport.com is now open.
Can I get a picture?
There you go.
Wow, did it come
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. No, did we get it right? No.
Okay, let's do one. Let's go right ahead.
No, let's do it one more. One more.
Thank you.
Please, let me focus on this.
CroatianSoccerReport.com.
There you go. Al's got a good one this one.
Good?
There we go, ladies.
Thank you.
Quick one.
Nice.
Okay, y'all have a good one. To CroatianSoccerReport.com.
You heard it
There
here
you
first.
It's CroatianSoccerReport.com is now open.
You have the most beautiful.
CroatianSports.com is now open.
Yeah! You are the man. Thank you.
2011. Let's all get in this. All the way from Croatia.
I'll call you back. Let's hear that shout out one more time. Go, I declare CroatianSports.com open.
I declare CroatianSports.com now open.
Here, man.
Thank you so much.
Listen, I want you to give a speech now. Because your voice is so good. Come on.
What?
Say something about Croatia.
Check.
I just want to say that all of these fine Croatian people represent nothing but beautiful spirit. Everything in Croatia is about good spirit. And that's from me. And that's from me to the fine people of Croatia. Thank you.
Contract and everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is great.
I love you.
Great to hear that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
It was
you.
a big story. Also.
Once again, CroatianSoccerReport.com. No, CroatianSoccerReports.com is now open.
CroatianSports.com.
I declare CroatianSports.com is now open.
Yeah!